Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky winter wheat field where a 1978 John Deere 6600 combine is harvesting the crop. In this video, we're going to take a look at the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as riding along in the cab to see the operator's perspective of cutting wheat with this classic machine. Following right behind the 6600 combine is a 1978 John Deere 4440 tractor with an ALLIS-CHALMERS 333 planter planting double crop soybeans. We'll take a look at how this machinery plants that second crop of soybeans and look at its specifications as well. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear what it was like to harvest wheat and plant soybeans in 1978. John Deere manufactured the 6600 combine at its East Moline, Illinois harvester works from 1969 through 1978. This was the company's top-selling combine during the 1970s. The machine was available with two different engine options. The first was a 362 cubic inch John Deere gasoline engine, and the second was a 404 cubic inch John Deere diesel engine, both rated at 120 horsepower. The 6600 features a 44-inch threshing cylinder and 4 straw walkers. This combine features a 79-gallon fuel tank and comes from the factory with a standard 112 bushel grain tank. Factory bin extensions could be added to the machine, taking it up to 147 bushels in holding capacity. Kentucky. The combine unloads from a 12-foot long pivot unloading auger. 1978 models came with a standard hydraulic swing unloading auger. The original price tag for a John Deere 6600 combine in 1978 featuring a diesel engine was $31,826. This combine is harvesting wheat with a 16-foot wide 1979 John Deere 216 grain platform. The original price tag for the platform was $6,190. In western Kentucky, where this John Deere 6600 combine is harvesting wheat, straw is spread back on the field because farms plant a second crop of soybeans into the wheat stubble. This straw helps provide a mulch over the summer to hold moisture in the soil to help the new crop of soybeans grow to maturity when they're harvested in October. This farm plants its double crop soybeans with a 1978 John Deere 4440 tractor and ALLIS-CHALMERS 333 planter. The 4440 was part of the new Iron Horse lineup of tractors that was manufactured by John Deere at its Waterloo, Iowa tractor factory from 1978 through 1982. This tractor is powered by a John Deere 466 cubic inch diesel engine rated at 130 PTO horsepower. The tractor is equipped with a 65-gallon diesel fuel tank, and its original price tag was $43,634 in 1978. The tractor is pulling an 11-row Soybean Special ALLIS-CHALMERS 333 planter. This no-till machine was originally priced at $8,302 when it was new. This no-till soybean seeding team is working near the town of Hopkinsville, Kentucky. Just down the road from Hopkinsville is the town of Herndon. Harry Young planted the first no-till corn crop in the United States back in 1962 in Herndon with a 2-row ALLIS-CHALMERS planter. Harry Young and other farmers worked with ALLIS-CHALMERS to develop a no-till wavy culture that allowed the planter to open the soil, cutting through residue and dropping the seeds into the trench. Corn was the first crop planted with these planters, and by the late 1960s and early 1970s, no-till soybeans were becoming popular after the wheat harvest in western Kentucky. This no-till seeding team is putting out about 80,000 seeds of soybeans per acre. This 11-row unit will cover around 11 acres between refills. I hope that you've enjoyed stepping back in time in this Western Kentucky winter wheat field to the year 1978 to see this classic John Deere 6600 combine harvesting the wheat and the John Deere 4440 tractor with the ALLIS-CHALMERS 333 planter seeding the second crop of soybeans. It's always exciting to get to see these classics in action, and it's one of my favorite things to film. Do you still use a 6600 combine, or have you used one in the past to harvest your crops? Do you plant double crop soybeans following your wheat harvest? Let me know about it in the comment section below this video, and if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.